Okay, are we live? I guess we do. Okay, so the goal of this day would be to enable the deletion of the question. Apparently nothing works. I need to debug that first. Theory should work. There we go. It does work. Can we remove the console log? I'm not sure yet if I will. If I will keep the accordion. Why do I have this? This is supposed to be fixed. Don't really know why it's not fixed. Question. This should be translated. And sure enough, now it works. I wonder if all of this could have been done in Laravel Livewire and Laravel Vault. I really wonder. And to be honest, I don't really know. I don't know even if you should be able to change the type of the question. Probably something that we'll see later, because if you have a multiple change and then change the type, then it's not good anymore. I think I will remove it at a certain point. But so far now we need to delete the quiz. Why this music sound goofy? I don't know. Doesn't matter. I don't delete stuff here. I'm pretty sure I do delete stuff. I don't need a gap though. Yeah, in quiz. So this is the delete. Quiz question, delete question. There we go. Is deleting the value got true. And then we can directly call the router. Oh, it's already super hard. Cannot work in these conditions. Let's focus for 30 minutes. Hmm. Where is my is deleting? Don't know why it's there. I'm going to import the router. Import the router. Oh. Import the router, and then I don't know if this question dot destroy. I don't know if this route exists. No, it does not. And I have to send event UID. Yeah, and the question UID. Here we go. Now we have to set up the other dialog thing. This will be our added trigger. I see. Cool. My business model for this project is companies pay per seat with a minimum of 100 seats. So for instance, if a company wants to get my platform for 200 employees, they will pay 2 or 3 euros per employees, so it would be 400 to 600 euros. This is basically how my business model works. Yeah, I mean, I'm building it, so there is pretty much nothing. I've just done the dashboard now. So you have overview, and you can, this is for customizing the platform to suit the client's need. You can add prices, you can then see and edit users. I'm doing this to manage quizzes and competition. This is other pages for managing the legal, the rule and stuff like that. Same for that. And settings, I don't know if I've done it. Yeah. Yes, I've validated this is a new version of this product that I've done. So this is the current state of the project, but I'm rebuilding it entirely from scratch because the code base is kind of outdated and I cannot really build on top of it, so I have to rebuild it. And also I want to add new features and stuff like that. So as you can see, it's a prediction platform where employee can bet on football game, for instance, and they earn points. When they earn points, there is a ranking system, and they, depending of how much point they earn, they all rank different position in the ranking system. And at the end of the competition, they can win prize, depending of their rank in their position in the rank. Sorry. So yeah, I can show you the demo if you want. Not on this browser. So for instance, this is rugby. You can click on the team that you think that will win. Then you can see the results of your prediction, the prediction of other people, and your ranking. There is a chat also, but it's not that useful. And now I'm doing the admin interface of the new platform. This is what I'm building. So yeah, I have validated the idea. Why I have toast? Why do HTTP request when I click and delete? How many users? In total, it's a very how do we say that? It's really event based, event planning, event management. It's really, it's only working for some part of the year. So once they use the platform, I removed it. So in total, I don't know, I would say 40,000 something. Different players. And now in terms of customers, like actual client, I would say 300, something like that. It's beautiful, man. Why this button also triggered? I don't get it. It will stop submit for some reason. There we go. Perfect. And now I need to just create the root, backend root. Edit. It destroyed. Yeah, it destroyed. Destroy question. Same thing as this. Get that, and I'm gonna say question delete, return redirect back with the session flash. Platform the dashboard this delete. Here we go. Oh, and we do need to request. So now we can use this root name. Put it in our front end. It's already this, yeah. So now in theory it should work. If I delete this question, yeah, it works. So this is already working, this is fine. I just need to change the translation keys. But for that, I'm gonna just ask the AI. Quiz question and add missing translation keys to value and state them. code. Here we go. Now we just have to wait. I should have done it by myself. Now you're thinking too much just for stupid sensation keys. This is embarrassing. So what have you changed? What? What the fuck? This is not what he was supposed to do. That's fine then, because I forgot them, but what he has done is pretty bad, actually. I didn't want that. I wanted the deletion to have the sensation keys. I'm just going to decline everything. And do it manually. For some reason, it's completely garbage today. Definitively. Here we go. So now if I just delete the question, I should have the right translation. Oh yeah, because I'm in English. I really need to reboot my Mac. He's actually dying right now. Here we go, and now if I just want to delete it, sure enough we should see the right translation keys. Yeah, I want to very sure you want to delete this question. Perfect. Now we just have to add the missing translation, because as the AI pointed earlier, there is text that needs some translation, like this one. Question type and question title. Let's go. So this would be dashboard.quiz question dot type. Question type. And then I need the transition keys 4 points for some reason. Same thing for English. I need to translate also the pace order. And then title. This wording is better. Question title, question title. Then what are we missing? The placeholder. I don't need the lang as parameter. What the fuck? Why it doesn't work? There we go. And it's the break time. And that's perfect because we just finished this component. So I will take a 5-minute break and yeah, see you in 5 minutes. Just am exhausted. So, I think it's almost finished now. We're at 30 seconds left. There we go, we can focus again. So now that everything seems to be working just fine, I will ask I kind of want to put a loader on the other component. Delete quiz. Trash 2. I kind of want to put this into place. And then VRs. So now when you delete this, we have a loader on this one too. Useless, but I kinda like it. Now I will just have the AI review my changes. Did I for anything? Critical missing translation key. Oh yeah, indeed. I forgot that. Wait a minute, did I really forget it? Yeah, I did forget it. question. There we go. And quiz line 201. Quiz form dot. Oh yeah. Quiz form dot error the status. It is visible. Damn. Lot of errors. Select question type. There we go. That's all. Okay, that's all. I think I can commit. It's so hot right now. Okay, and then I can commit that. And then I don't remember what was the next step. I think it was to add a question. But I have to do the front end also. Where there is a capital. Here we go. So on this particular thing, we need to add a way to add a question. Don't know exactly how I'm gonna do it though. Come on. Oh, there is no more. Fuck. I'm gonna have to migrate the database. Here we go. And now if we add a question, I should at the bottom of the of this accordion, I should add a, what's the name? A empty form. So let's go. So this is the quiz question of the accordion, and we should take a step further. Should put our div right here, I assume. And our div form would be quite similar as this form. I wonder if we can just push an element inside of this and just say, well, I think we're gonna need a new form. We're going to need a new form. So just copy and paste for now. Can remove the added dialog. And we can even put this inside of a new component. This would be more elegant, I would say. Create a small component. And inside of this, we're just going to put that. Just a div inside of a form, and we can remove the added dialog. There we go. And then submit question form, yes. Question.create. We do not need the question ID. Question form, yeah. Delete question, we don't need it. Toggle accordion, we don't need it. We don't need this either. To emit, we don't need the emit. We do not emit anything. I wonder why there is emit here though. Hmm. We can remove all this. Now, in terms of props, I don't think I need any props. As the props, we need indeed. We need the quiz UID. But otherwise, we do not need anything. Here we go. And then question type. Oh, we need question type. That we do have here. I don't need to pass them as a props. Just can be a const. There we go. I think we're good for now. And we can call this form directly inside of here. Just below the accordion. Oh, this is updated. Okay. And we can say quiz. Question head. Quiz UID. This. And then we can self-close this. And sure enough, we do have our form. Now we should wrap the form inside of a card like that. That kind of like the accordion. We've rounded edgy this thing. We do not need the important. Here we go. So now we have the exact same functionalities. And then that's it. I mean, it's okay. It looks okay to me. My quiz ID should be this. And now I just can add the submit. Damn, I would have one-shot this feature. I don't know why I'm that exhausted. So, it's like quiz event view ID. First question. This will be store. Store view ID, event UID. Can even remove that just to say UID instead of event UID. Then open the controller. I didn't say event UID, I said UID. There we go. And now we should be able to do the same thing as for the update. And then here we go. Yeah, I think that's it. Oh, it's the Requiem there. There's only this part that is good. Put it down. There we go. And And now, if I say range 11 point test, I click on save. What happened? Nothing. UID parameters is required for this route. Range 11 test. Boom, and the question has been added. Now we should and success we should call format reset. Reset, here we go. And we should add it obviously. It's here. And the form has indeed been reset, but we need to add it. So we need to submit an event. Emit event on success. Now I want to see if the validation error is correct. I should preserve the scroll also. And then success on this thing, I want to I would like to shut down this, like to make it disappear. This is the goal. Can we put a preserve and that? Are you sure it's an option? I don't know. No way. wanted to break it, but it didn't break it. Okay, now it's breaking. You can delete this. Boom. Yeah, so now we can say v show show add question for, and this would be is open. This is better. False. And then on success is false. So when we click on add, there we go. There we go. Working like a charm. And it's time for a break, but I almost did everything I wanted to do this morning, so I think I can refactor stuff on this part. Do I really want to? need to, now this is the question, but then we need to add answers to each question, and this is going to be kind of a nightmare. Because I need to have to be able to upload things. Anyway, I think I'll stop for today. My computer is like agreeing with me apparently. Can't handle the pressure. I will just ask to review the changes that I've made, and I think I'll be good to go. Transition is inconsistency. The question type it's the same transition. Oh, my bad. Options. Of course I don't care about the options. Why is it broken now? I don't need this, I don't need that. I don't need this thing. Here we go. Quiz question, I think it's the same. I don't need correct answer. An option for now at least. Anyway, I can commit. Here we go. That was it for today. Thanks so much. See you. I don't even have my microphone. Sorry, I was completely dead today. Thanks for watching and see you. I don't know, tomorrow